So, as you can see, I'm gonna use clamps on this. This is definitely one of the exercises I recommend using clamps to make sure you keep the bar, well, the plates on the bar. Secondly, for those who are actually trying to get better at deadlifts, hex bar, trap bar, whatever you want to call this, is one of the best alternatives you can use. For example, one thing you don't have to worry about is the path for the bar. See, a lot of people get thrown off when doing deadlifts because they're so nervous about the bar scraping their shins. You ain't got to worry about that when you're using something like this. Also, you can lift a lot heavier weight with this. This makes it easier. Even though the hex bar might be, I think, 10, 20 pounds more than what a barbell is, but do understand this is one of the easiest things you can do. Also, remember, tighten the back, lock the arms. All you're doing is pressing from the feet. And so unfortunately, that's going to conclude today's workout. In the meantime, do me a favor and make sure you put your goddamn weights back, because I'm tired of going to gyms and the hundreds are by the fives, the 35s are by the 85s. We got to make it make sense. And if you're treating your home like this, I'm appalled.